Hi everyone, welcome to the DataGen channel. So from the last week, I was too much busy, so I have not created any content. Okay. So now today I'm continue with my Netflix series where I have stopped. So from there I will continue. Okay. So sorry for the delay. Okay. So now from here we will start our coding. So we have seen in the last videos, we have seen the 5 questions, right, which are very basic one. So now from here we will start and we will try to complete till here. So these are our complete end-to-end project. These are the questions related to the Netflix dataset. So the first question is, list all the movies which is released in a specific, for example, let's say 2022. So first of all, what you need to do whenever you will open your workbench, first you need to connect with your database. So this is my Netflix database, or you can say schema. First, I need to connect inside this. So I will select this one and I will execute this one. Then I will see how many tables are available in this Netflix. So only one table is there, that is Netflix dataset. Now let me check the records are available in this table. So execute this one. So these are the records we have available: show ID, title, director, cast, country, date added. And then we have released here rating, we have duration, we have category of mode, then description of the movie and the type of show. So in type of show, we have two things. One is TV show, that means your series, and another is your movie. Okay. So now we need to see the first question. List all the movies released in a specific year. Okay, so here the question is asking, show me only the list of movies which is released in 2020. Okay, so for that, what I will do, I will write select title. So type of show also I'm writing. So here I want to show the title also, and I want to show here type of show also, whether it is a movie or TV show. From Netflix dataset, where released year equal to 2020. Now here I have given another condition and condition type of show like movie, because the question is display the list of only movies. It is not asking that display all the content which is released in 2020. When this type of question will come, then you need to write this query. So when you will get the question that display all the content which is released in 2020. So here in the question, they are not asking that whether you want to display the TV show or the movies. Here they are just asking display all the content which is released in 2020. It may be your movies or it may be your TV show. So for that you need to write only one condition: released year equal to 2020. So if you execute this code, so only one record is there. Title is Maradona in Mexico and it is a TV show. Okay, but here my question is to display only the list of movies which is released in 2020. So for that you need to add one more condition: type of show like movie. So both the conditions should be matched. Your type of show should be your movies and the released year will be your 2020. So then only whatever the record you will get, it will display you only the list of movies and it will show you the type of show. Only it will display the movies like that. So let's execute this code. So you need to write select title, type of show from Netflix table name, this table name where released year equal to 2020 and type of show like movie. So when you execute this code, here we will see we are not getting any data. That means there is no such movies which is released in 2020. Okay. So this is the first question answers. So the next question we have, find the content added in the last 5 years. Okay, so first of all, before understanding this query, what I will do, I will split this query and then I will explain you, okay, that in this condition what actually we are doing. So first of all, in the MySQL there is a function called current date function. So this will give you the current date. Okay, so if I will remove this part, so this will give me the current date in the YYMMDD format. YYMMDD format. Year, month, date. So today is your 18th date. Okay. 18th December. Now from here, this date, I want to fetch only the year. So there we have a function called year function. And here we are getting the only year. Okay. So we are getting only year. So in the where clause, what we are doing, find the content. It is saying the find the content. So it is not asking the find the complete data. Okay. Or fetch all the data. So when this type of question will come, fetch all the data which is added in the last 5 years, then you need to use select a star from table name and then your condition. But the question is fetch find the content. So here we need to give the title, okay, in the select query, and then from table name, and in where clause we need to give this condition which is added in the content which is added in the last 5 year. Okay, so from here what we are doing, from the current date we are fetching only the year. So we are from here we are getting the 2024. Now then again, in the Netflix dataset we have a column something called date added. So if you come here and if you execute this code, so in the date added, if you see here, this is the date, but this date is in string format. Okay. So here what we are doing, first we are converting this date into the date format. That means your MMDDYY format or YYMMDD format. Now from that date, we are fetching the year. So it can be your 2019 or it can be your 2008 data is there. Year, sorry, here 2019 data, we have here 2019, 2019, 2019. So mostly we have 2019 content is only there. So 2019. So let me drop down this one. Okay, so here we have some content which as date in 2012 also, 2013 also, 2014 also. So let me explain this part. So here what we are doing, here we are saying year comma, sorry, bracket, and here we are saying cur date. Okay, so cur date will give you the 2024 to 12 and 18. So from here, we are fetching only the year with the help of this year function. So this year cur date function will give you the 2024. And here, so this will be your number, okay, numerical format. Because here we are getting only 2024. So this is the numerical format. And then we are doing minus year str underscore to date, comma date added. Date added, this is the date added column, this is the column which is available in the Netflix database table. And then here we are fetching the date, we are converting this date added which is in string format, we are converting into the date format in this month d and your y in mmddy year format. Okay, so this will fetch you again the year from this date. Okay, from this date. So in this date added column, what are the year we have, 2019, 2018, 2017, 2016, sorry, 16, 2013, like that we have. So let's say here we have, let's say 2019 and some date format is there, 1201, then 1203, then something, some date is there. Okay, so from here we are fetching only the year, correct? So here we will get the 2019. Now 2024 minus 2019, so what output we will get here, we will get here, this will give you 5 which is less than equal to 5. That means whatever the year we are doing minus from current date minus the date added, it is coming 5. That means, yeah, with respect to 2019, whatever the movies have released, that it is coming under your last 5 years. Now, there will be some data, there will be some content which is added in 2018. So if you do 2024 minus 2018 less than equal to 5, so this will give you 6. So 6 is not less than 5. That means this movie is released in last 6 year, not in the last 5 year. Okay, so this query will not give you that content which is released or added in the 2018. Again, there this will fetch you some data, something like 2017. So 2024 minus 2017, again less than equal to 5, right? So here again it will give you 7. Again 7 is not less than 5. So that means this movie is released in 2017, not, so this here we are getting 7, which is not less than 5, correct? So if you will say that show me those content which is added last 7 year, so then this movie 7 year we are getting 7, so then 7 less than equal to 7, then this will match, correct? So that content will be added in the last 7 year, but our question is last 5 year. So last 5 year means current we have 2024. So it will give you all those movies which is released in 2023, 2022, 2021, 2020, and 2019. All this, whatever the movies which released or added in this year, only that movie will get, because whenever we will minus 2024, 2003, we will get here 1 year which is less than 5. Then again 2024 minus 2022, it will give you 2 which is less than again 5. Again 2024 minus 2021, it will give you 3 which is again less than 5. Again 2024 minus 2020, it will give you 4 which is again less than 5. Again 2024 minus 2019, it will give you 5 which is again less than equal to 5. So it will, this query or this condition will be true, okay, and it will give you all those movie content which is released in 2023, 2022, 2021, and 2020 and 2019. Before 2019, whatever the movies are released, it will not give you that data. Okay. So I hope you understand this one. So now what I will do, I will execute that query. So we need to come here, and then here we need to execute that one. Okay. So this query is will give you that title which is released or added in, not released, added in the last 5 year in the Netflix. So execute this code. See here, these are the titles. Okay. These are the content which is released in the last 5 years. So if you want to see the year also, so what you can do, you can copy this part and you can paste here. Okay, so now it will give you the title and in which year it added. So execute this code. Only 2000 data will be, 2019 data is there, because there is no, in this data, in this data set we don't have any such movies or TV show which is added in 2022, 2023, 2024, like that. So last, the latest movie which is added in the 2019 year. Okay, so this will give you only the 2019 year, all the content which is added. Okay, so this is the your second query answer. The third query answer is find all the movies or TV show which is directed by Rajiv Chilaka. Okay, so here it is saying all the movies and TV show directed by Rajiv Chikala. So this is very simple query. You need to say just select star from Netflix dataset where director equal to Rajiv Chilaka. Here we are not asking that give me only the movies. When we will say give me only the movies, then again here we need to write one more condition, and here we need to write and what is that column name? This column name, type of show, and we need to write this one. Here we need to add this one. So this will give you that records where the director is your Rajiv Chilaka, and it will display you only the list of movies, not the TV show, because here I have added and condition and a type of show like movies. So here, but our question is that we need to display the movies also as well as TV show also. So here we don't need to apply any condition. Only one condition is required, that is where director is equal to Rajiv Chilaka. So when you execute this code, so these are the two titles. Okay, one is Dragon Kala Ka Rahasya and Bhimayan. Okay, so these are the two. Either it will be your movies or series. So which is directed by Rajiv Chilaka. So let's see here in the last column. If we come here, so both are these movies. Okay, these are not a show. Both are your movies. So this is the query for your third question. Now the next question is list all the TV shows with more than 5 seasons. Okay, so this is the question. So we need to display all those TV shows which have more than 5 seasons. So obviously in that of show we have two type in type of this type of show column we have two types of data. One is your movie, another one is your that show, right? So again, if you come to this data set, so here we have a duration. So if you see in this duration, it is showing the one season. So this one season belongs to your show. And here it is written 67 minutes. So this 67 minutes is your nothing, but it is related to the movie. So we need to just ignore this one, this 67 minute, 135 minute, 106 minute, because these are the data belongs to the movies. Now here we have season, two season, two season, then we have one season, and again we have there are something called again 2 season, 3 season, 8 season is there, right? So these are the related to the your TV shows. Okay. So here it is asking list all the TV shows. So in the select query, we need to write the title. Okay. Duration is not required. I have written this duration to see that title with respect to its duration. Okay. And then from table name, and then here you need to write where type of show like TV shows, because we are looking only for the TV shows. Movies will not come in the form of shows, right? It is not like one show, two show. Movies will be, it will be 137 minutes, or let's say 180 minutes, 170 minutes, like that, 90 minutes. Again, one more condition what we are writing here, and cast, replace, duration, season, and then what here we have written that I need to explain. So if you see this, this is the cast function, which will cast or which will convert any data in from one data type to another data type. Okay. If you want to convert the value from one data type to another data type, we need to use the cast function. So here, let's say I'm explaining this part. Okay. What exactly this will give you the output. So here I'm saying select cast, replace. So first here what I'm doing inside the cast function, I'm using replace function. So replace, what it will do in the duration column, wherever the space season will be there, it will replace will with empty. Okay. So if we come to this, here if you see one space season, again one space season is there, again two space season is there. So wherever the space season is there, I am replacing with empty string. Okay, so that from here we will get only one two numerical format data. Okay, so if I'll come here, and then here I am saying it will give me the numerical format. Okay, first it will replace this space season by empty string, and we are getting from the duration column, we will get only what, we will get only the numerical form, we will get only the digit which will be in the string format. Okay, so again let me split this one, then you will understand. And let me come to here and remove this cast, and then this unsigned, and execute this code. So when you will execute this code here, if you see here, one something is there, right? One, then again 2s, 2s is there, 2s, 2s is there, right? 112 is there. So I am, this is in a string format. Now I want to convert into the integer format. So to convert that is integer format, on top of this, I am using the cast function. Okay. And here to convert into the string format, there is some keyword is there that is called your unsigned. Unsigned means you are converting whatever the string type data is coming, you are converting into the integer format. Now when you will execute this code, you will see you will get this data. So these are only the numerical format data. Okay, numerical format data. In this way we will get 1 2 3 6 5 season. Okay, so this will give you that data, only the numerical format. Okay, after that we are saying greater than 5, so it will give me only that TV shows which duration is not duration, whose season is more than 5. So here I have written greater than 5. If the question is list all the TV shows with more than or equal to 5 seasons, then you need to write here equals. But the question is greater than 5. So that's why we are using here greater than 5. So now when you will execute the code, you will see the title and the duration. What is the duration? 8 season, which is greater than 5. Then again, this show we have 6 season. Then this show we have 8 season. All season, if you see, all these are the shows which is greater than 5 season. Okay. So this will be your query. This will be your final query for this question. Now the next question is find all the content without director. If you come to again into the main data set, here we have the director. There are in director column, there are some null values are there. These are also null values. These are also null values. These are the null values. These are the null values. So in our data set, sometime your null value will display with the space. Okay. Means null value means nothing. So it can be your blank, or even if your director column contain the empty string, that also it will display as a empty space. Okay. So you cannot find here whether this is the null value or whether is an empty string. So that's why I have written this code. Select star from Netflix where director is null. So means here the question is find all the content without director. Means without director means where the director name is not mentioned. So this will give me all the records where the director is null. And also I have written one more condition in or the director is empty string. So this will give me that data set where the director is null value empty or empty string. Okay. Either it will be null value or the director will be director column contain the empty string. So when you execute this code, so it will give you this data where if you see here, all the director columns are either it's null or it's a empty string. See, these all are the null values. So this will be your final data set. Okay. The next question is find how many movies actor Salman Khan released in the last 10 years. So which are the movies? How many total movies of Salman Khan which is released in the last year? This is the question. So for that, here the question is how many, right? So when we are saying how many, we means we need to count the number of records where Salman Khan movie got released in the last 10 years. So here I'm saying select count star as movie count from table name. And here I'm saying it is saying how many movies. So for that, we need to write the where type of show like movies. Okay. So it will fetch only the movies and the cast. So in this table, we have the cast, right? So in this cast column, there is a right now, okay, these are the cast. There is no cast data is there. So let me again execute. So these are the cast. Okay, in this cast there are multiple character, multiple hero, actor and actress are there, right? So for that I have written here what Salman Khan. So like operator, what it will do, so here I have used the percentile and here also I have used the percentile. So this will give me that actor movies where the cast is in cast it contains Salman Khan. So wherever the Salman Khan name will be mentioned in the cast column, it will fetch all those data, and also that data should be your movies and released year greater than equal to year current date minus 10. So this year column, what will do from here, it will fetch the current date year. So this current date will give you the date format 2024, and then today is your 12th month and 18th day, right? So from here we are fetching the year. So 2024, this will give you 2024 minus 10. So that means 2014. So this will give you the 2014 data. And here we are saying and released year is greater than 2014. Why? Because what is the current year? 2014. So here the question is released in the last 10 years. So 2014 minus 10. So from 2014 till date, whatever the movies are released of Salman Khan, that will be your last 10 years. So that's why here you need to use one more condition and released year greater than equal to current year minus 10. So if you execute this code, there will be no movie of Salman Khan which is released in the last 10 year, which is available in the Netflix dataset. So if you go to the Netflix dataset, there is no Salman Khan movies are there. which is released in the last 10 year in the Netflix. Okay. So these are the question we have solved. Okay. These are the question. Okay. One more is there. Identify the movies and TV show featuring a specific actor, Robert De Niro. So if you come here, this query. So this is very simple. You need to write identify the movies or TV show featuring a specific character, that is Robert De Niro. So for that we need to write select star from table name where cast like, and whenever I'm saying this like, so like is nothing but it is an operator which will find the data or which will give you the data based on the pattern. Okay. So in the cast, there are in if you go to the cast column, okay, there are so many actor names are there. Okay, there are so many actor names are there, multiple actors name. So here we are saying we are like contain. This means contain. Okay, so here percentile Robert De Niro contain. So in the cast column, wherever the Robert De Niro actor is available, then it will give you all those records. So in any movies also only one actor is not there, right? There is a multiple actor actress will perform, right? So here we are looking only for the Robert De Niro. So when you execute this code, so these are the title or these are the content, either whether it is a movies or show, which so these are the movies or TV show which where the this Robert De Niro have acted. So if you see in the cast, Robert De Niro is there and other actor is also there. Then again here Robert De Niro, again other actor is also there. Then here also Robert De Niro. In this again here Robert De Niro is available here in this place. So where in the cast column, wherever the Robert Niro will be there, it will fetch all those data. Okay. So here now we have solved these many questions. So I hope everyone understand. If you have any question, let me know in the comment. I will answer your question. And in the next video, I will try to complete this, the last part of your this Netflix dataset. So in this video, if I will cover this one again, the video will be more. So I don't want to increase the length of video. So I will keep here till here. Okay. So practice this, and if you have any doubt, let me know. Thank you, and please subscribe, share this video with your friends and siblings or cousins so that many people will learn this SQL project. Okay, and for them it will be helpful. So thank you and take care.